Hello dear students, we had discussed about different types of logic gates, basic gates, universal gate and special purpose or derived gate. In that video we had also discussed about NOT gate. That is one type of basic gate and the function of NOT gate is to produce an inverted version or a complement of its input signal. In this video we are going to discuss about OR gate and AND gate. So let's start. Next one is AND gate. The function of AND gate is to produce an multiplication logic of its input. So let's note down. The function of AND gate is to perform the logic multiplication on its inputs. The function of AND gate is to perform multiplication of its input signal, and the symbol of AND gate is like and half circle, and here is the input signal and one is the output signal. For example, we have two inputs. First one is input A and input B. Then AND gate is an electronic circuit that perform a multiplication of its input signal and produce a signal Y, output signal Y. Then the output signal is multiplication of A dot B. Here dot sign indicate the multiplication or AND operation. As we discussed earlier, dot sign indicate AND operator or multiplication of two different signals. Clear? Now output signal is high, Y is equal to 1 if and only if all the inputs to the AND gate are high. Clear? If A and B both signals are high or 1, then and only then we get Y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 dot 1, A is equal to 1 dot B is equal to 1. Then 1 into 1 we get output 1, that is active high. Clear? And if one or more input signals are low, then we get low output signal. For example, if we have A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, then Y is equal to A is equal to 0, and B is equal to 1. For example, B is equal to 1. Then we get 1 into 0, that means 0. That is low logic. Clear? All the inputs to the AND gate are high, then and only then we get output high. If any one input signal is low, then we get output low. Clear? So if we make a truth table, of AND gate, then input signals, first one, input signals are A and B, and output signal is Y is equal to A dot B. Clear? Then truth table, as we discussed earlier, truth table is a table consists of all the possible combinations of inputs and corresponding all the output signals. Clear? So all the possible input signal, for example, if we consider first input signal, that is 0 0, second one, that is 0 1, third one, that is 1 0, and last one, that is 1 1. Clear? So all these are, if we have input signals, number of input signals are 2, number of input signals is equal to 2, then combination, number of possible combination, then number of possible combinations of input signal is equal to, we have binary number system, and in binary number system we have only two distinct value. That means we can use either 0 or 1 for to make an different possible combination of input signal. That means two distinct value and two input signal, then we get 2 raised to 2 possible combination. 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. That means number of possible combinations are 4. Clear? The in general equation to check the number of possible combination of input signal is equal to 2 raised to n, and n indicate number of input signals to the logic gate. Okay, for binary number system, number of possible combination of input signal in general 2 raised to n, and n indicate the number of input signals to the logic gate. In our case, AND gate have 2 input signal, so n is equal to 2. That means 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4 possible combinations. Now let us check the output signal. In first case, y is equal to a dot b. In first case, a is equal to 0, b is equal to also 0. That means we get output is equal to 0. In second case, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1. That means 1 into 0 is equal to 0. That means output signal is again 0. In third case, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 0. Then multiplication of 1 dot 0 is equal to 0. In fourth case, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. That means we get the output signal 1 dot 1 is equal to 1. As we discussed earlier, we get output signal y is equal to high or 1 if and only if all the input signals to the AND gate are high or 1. Clear? And if any one signal is low, input signal is low, then we get output signal active low or 0. Clear? All the input signals are high, then we get output signal high or active low. 1. Clear? And if any one signal is low, in the second case, a is equal to 0. That's why we get output y is equal to 0. In third case, b is equal to 0. So we get output signal 0. If any one signal is a low or a 0, then we get output signal y is equal to 0. Clear? So this is the truth table of the AND gate, and the Boolean expression Boolean expression of AND gate is given as y is equal to a dot b, multiplication of input signals. Output is equal to multiplication of input signal. If we have multiple input signal, for example, in the second case, we have 4 input signal to the AND gate. First one, second one, third one, and fourth one. Clear? And only one output signal. For example, input signals are more than one, or for example, input signal is A, B, C, and D. Number of 4 input signal, and output signal is Y. Okay. Then Boolean expression for this type of AND gap is equal to multiplication of all the inputs. So A dot B dot C dot D. Okay. Boolean expression for AND gate is equal to A dot B dot C dot D. Clear? And the truth table for 4 input AND gate or a multiple input AND gate have more than 2 input signal and 1 output signal. number of possible combinations of input signal can be calculated by 2 raised to n, and here n is the number of input signal. For example, we have 4 input signal, so 2 raised to 4. That means 2 raised to 4 are the number of combinations to draw the truth table of 4 input AND gate, and 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16 input signals, combination of input signals. Clear? Now one practice question to all of you. You have to calculate number of possible combinations for 3 input signal AND gate. X, Y, Z are the input signals, and for example P is the output signal of 3 input signal AND gate. Clear? You have to calculate the number of possible combination of input signal to draw a truth table of 3 input NAND gate. Inputs are X, Y and Z, and output signal is Y. Okay, you can comment the answer in the comment section of this video. Okay, in the next video lecture we will discuss about OR gate. Thank you.